Bonjour, bonjour. Aujourd'hui, c'est mardi, le 21 août. And today, what did we do? We reviewed our greetings vocabulary. I gave each student a copy of the greetings vocabulary to review, and we pasted it or glued it onto page 4 of our interactive notebook. Right there, okay? I just taped mine, right? But there it is. We glued that into page 4. We called the title Greetings Review Notes. We put it in the table of contents for page 4. And then we pronounced all the greetings and we talked about what they meant. And I have them in categories. So, ways to greet someone. Bonjour, which means hello. Salut, which means hi or bye. Bonsoir, which means good evening. Ways to introduce myself and respond to an introduction. Je m'appelle, as in je m'appelle Madame Pique. My name is Madame Pique. Je suis Madame Pique, as in I am Madame Pique. Enchanté, enchanté, nice to meet you. Then we talked about ways to ask someone's name. Comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? What's your name? You would use that when you were asking someone your own age, or a classmate. You would use that way to ask what his or her name is. Or you can switch it around a little bit and say tu t'appelles comment? Tu t'appelles comment? Means the same thing. Then there is comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? What is your name as well? But it's when you use that one when you were asking an adult that you don't know. And then et toi and you. So really, that one you use more after you've introduced yourself. You would say, for example, je m'appelle Madame Pique. Et toi, comment tu t'appelles? Or et toi, or et vous, comment vous appelez-vous? Et toi and you, et vous and you, but the et vous is formal. Ways to introduce someone to someone else. You have a buddy with you and you see another buddy and they don't know each other. So you want to introduce your buddy to the other friend. You can say, voici John, for example. Voici, voilà, voilà, voici, here is, voilà, there is. Je te présente John. I present to you John, or introduce to you John. Je te présente. You would say that to a friend. Je vous présente. Je vous présente John. Je vous présente means the same thing as je te présente, but je vous présente, you would use it if you were you were introducing a friend to your teacher or to an authority figure. You would use the vous. You could also say, if your friend was a classmate, you could say, c'est mon camarade de classe. Mon camarade de classe, meaning a male classmate, c'est mon camarade de classe. Or if it's a female classmate, c'est ma camarade de classe. C'est ma camarade de classe. Sarah, for example. C'est mon copain, if the person you're introducing is a friend who happens to be a boy. C'est mon copain. Or c'est ma copine, if your friend happens to be a girl. C'est ma copine. Ways to ask how are you. Comment ça va? Comment ça va? How's it going? Ça va? Ça va? Things are going fine? Tu vas bien? Tu vas bien? Are you doing well? That's more specific. Are you doing all right? Ça roule? Ça roule? That's kind of a slang kind of way of saying, it's going. Is it going? Are things just going, rolling along? Ça roule? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? That's how are you doing, but it's more for adults again. Comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? That is the informal way of saying the same thing, and you're being specific to the friend. How are you doing? Ways to respond. Ça va, merci. Ça va, merci. Things are fine, thank you. Ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci. Things are well, thank you. A little bit stronger than just ça va. Ça va mal. Ça va mal. Things are bad. Things are ugh. Not having a good day. Pas très bien. Pas très bien. Not very good. Not very well. It's not as strong as ça va mal. Pas mal. Pas mal. Not bad. Ça va fort. Ça va fort. Things are awesome. Things are great. Things are really good. Très bien. Très bien, merci. Très bien. Very well. Very well, thank you. Oui, j'ai la pêche. Oui, j'ai la pêche. I'm just full of energy. I'm ready to get going. My day is, I'm ready to go. Start the day. Oh, comme ci, comme ça. Comme ci, comme ça. So-so. And then, of course, when you want to end the conversation, you got to say some form of goodbye. So we can say au revoir, goodbye, which is the more formal way to say goodbye. You normally would use that with somebody in authority, an adult that's not a member of your family. Salut, salut. That's our salut can be hi or bye, and you would mainly use it for a friend. A bientôt, a bientôt. See you soon. À demain. À demain. See you tomorrow. À plus tard. À plus tard. See you later. Or you can shorten it and say à plus. À plus. That's what a lot of teenagers say. À plus. Later. Bon weekend. Bon weekend. Have a good weekend. Of course, you wouldn't say that unless it was a Friday. And then our last one is bonsoir. Bonsoir. Good evening. And you say that, of course, when you're leaving and it's in the evening, or you're about to take your leave of someone after you've talked to them. Bonsoir. So it can be a hello, form of hello, good evening, bonsoir, or bonsoir, have a good evening, bonsoir. And you don't normally use bonsoir until about 5 o'clock-ish in the evening, and then on. So we did that. We basically reviewed our greetings. And then we also created a conversation in our groups, and we practiced our conversation. But we're going to continue that tomorrow as well. So, that's it for today, I do believe. Thank you. Merci. Au revoir. À demain.